नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? ऑल आर हैप्पी एंड सेफ इन हाउस? गुड. So today, before starting the class, what we will do? We will go for Hindi speaking. Okay? One sentence Hindi speaking. Today, what we will learn? Last classes we have learned about the questions like what, why, when, who. What we will say in English. Today we will learn other thing. Okay, like I means मैं. I means मैं. You means तुम. You means तुम. We means हम. She वह. She means वह. She and he both. She and he both will be वह. Next what will come? They. They means वे. In Hindi we will say वे. Those वो. This यह. That वह. These ये. Okay, one more time I will say you. I मैं. I means मैं. You तुम. और आप. तुम और आप. He और she वह. He और she वह. यह this means यह. That वह. These ये. Those वो. So this is the word in Hindi what we will say. Now you are I. For you will say I. Okay, in Hindi if I am talking about myself, you are talking about yourself, you will say I. But if any things belong to you, like your pen, your book, your bag, your house, your shoe, anything which is belong to you, in Hindi what you will say? मेरा और मेरी. मेरी पेन है. यह मेरी पेन है. यह मेरी बुक है. This is my book. This is my pen. This is my food. यह मेरा खाना है. So I means मैं. And things belongs to me. That is मेरा. मैं मेरा. Okay. Next तुम. You. तुम. You. तुम्हारा. Your. This is your book. This is your bottle. This is your food. Okay. So that is तुम्हारा. Your. तुम्हारा means your. Okay. Next we. हम. Anything belong to us? Like this is our school. That will be हमारा. Okay. So मैं मेरा. तुम तुम्हारा. हम हमारा. Okay. This will be your Hindi. So today we have learned this much. This is okay for you? Okay. One more time I will say you. I मैं. तुम you. वह she. She or he वह. Okay. यह this. That वह. These ये. Those वो. मेरा my. तुम्हारा your. हमारा our. Okay. This word if you know, it will be easy for you to talk in Hindi. Now we will start our class. Can you see the picture? What is this picture on your screen? This is a goat. What is that? Goat. You all know, na? I hope in Tamil you will say adai. adai or adai. Okay, so this is goat ad, right? Ad means goat. So today lesson, this is a very small poem about a beautiful goat. See, there are so pretty goat baby. Okay, so today lesson we are going to read about a goat. Our lesson name is Meenu Ki Bakri. As I will read and I will translate for you. So we will start the class. म पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा मी, न पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा नू. म पे बड़ी ई की मात्रा मी, न पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा नू. मीनू. क पे ई की मात्रा की. ब क र पे ई की मात्रा री. बकरी. मीनू की बकरी. Can you see the picture? One girl is there. Her name is Meenu and she is holding a goat. Okay, and goat in Hindi what we will say? Bakari. Bakari means goat. I'll read the poem. रेशमी काले बालों वाली. बालों. Okay, ल पे ओ की मात्रा is there and dot is there, so it's become बालों. रेशमी काले बालों वाली. रेशमी means silky. रेशमी means silky. काले black. बाल means hair. Okay, so रेशमी काले बालों वाली. ब्लैक सिल्की हेयर. मीनू ने एक बकरी पाली. मीनू ने मीन्स मीनू एक बकरी. एक मीन्स वन, बकरी मीन्स गोट. पाली. पाली मीन्स सी कीप like a pet, like a pet. Dog people are keeping, cat, goat, cow, they are keeping a hen. So she has keep one goat. Meenu kept one goat for as a pet. And how that goat was? Silky black hair. Okay, that goat is having a silky black hair. रेशमी काले बालों वाली. मीनू ने एक बकरी पाली. टीनू. ट पे बड़ी की मात्रा टी, न पे ऊ की मात्रा नू. टीनू उसका चारा लाता. टीनू उसका चारा लाता. ओके, उसका मीन्स हर. दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ गोट. चारा. चारा मीन्स व्हाट? काउ, goat, horse, they will eat na, that is known as a chara. Lata. So Teenu will bring grass for her. हरी मुलायम घास खिलाता. green soft grass na. घास means grass. खिलाता means feeding. हरी means green, मुलायम means soft. टीनू उसका चारा लाता. हरी मुलायम घास खिलाता. टीनू will bring food for her. हरी मुलायम, what will be the food? Green color soft grass, and that he will feed to goat. ज पे अंक की मात्रा जंग, ग ल. जंगल में ले जाकर उसको. उसको मीन्स गोट. उसको मीन्स गोट. खुली. ख पे छोटा ओ की मात्रा खू, ल पे बड़ी की मात्रा ली. खुली. हवा. ह व पे आ की मात्रा वा. हवा की. स पे आई की मात्रा सैर. सैर. कराता. क र पे आ की मात्रा रा. त पे आ की मात्रा ता. कराता. खुली हवा की सैर कराता. खुश हो जाती बकरी रानी. खुश हो जाती बकरी रानी. जंगल में ले जाकर उसको खुली हवा की सैर कराता, खुश हो जाती बकरी रानी। So Tinu, what he will do? He will take the goat to the forest and he will leave her to play, and when fresh air she will run here there, that goat will be very happy. One more round I'll read poem for you. मीनू की बकरी, रेशमी काले बालों वाली, मीनू ने एक बकरी पाली, टीनू उसका चारा लाता, हरी मुलायम घास खिलाता, जंगल में ले जाकर उसको खुली हवा की सैर कराता, खुश हो जाती बकरी रानी। Next we will go for word meaning. रेशमी, रेशमी means silky, रेशमी means silky, SILKY, silky. काले, काले means black, काले means black, BLACK, black. बाल, बाल means hair, HAIR, hair. चारा, चारा means fodder, FODDER, fodder or fodder you can say, okay. चारा means fodder or fodder you can say. हरी मुलायम, हरी मुलायम means green and soft. घास, grass, GRASS, grass. खुली हवा, open air. सैर, walk, सैर means walk. So one more round we'll read. रेशमी, silky, काले, black, बाल, hair, चारा, fodder, हरी मुलायम, green and soft, घास, grass, खुली हवा, open air, सैर, walk. Okay, so this was your word meaning. You have to write on your class CW classwork. Okay, next we will go for question answer. मीनू ने किसको पाला, मीनू ने किसको पाला, मीनू ने एक बकरी पाला. So what pets Meenu has kept? What was the pet for Meenu? It was a goat. So Meenu ने एक बकरी पाला. Question number 2. टीनू बकरी को कैसे खुश रखता है? How Teenu makes goat happy? What he is doing? Then how goat will be happy? What he is doing? टीनू जंगल में ले जाकर खुली हवा में सैर कराता. So Teenu will take that goat in an open air and he will walk with him. Okay, walk with goat. He will walk with goat. Goat will run here there. So she will be happy. So answer will be टीनू जंगल में ले जाकर खुली हवा में सैर कराता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. बकरी क्या खाती है? What goat eats? What goat is eating? What is the food for goat? Some grains she will eat, some vegetables she will eat, and main she love to eat grass. Okay, she love to eat grass, घास. So बकरी, answer will be बकरी हरी मुलायम घास खाती है. ओके, बकरी हरी मुलायम घास खाती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. बकरी को टीनू कहाँ लेकर जाता है? Where Teenu is taking to the goat? Okay, Teenu, where did he take to goat? बकरी को टीनू जंगल लेकर जाता है. ओके, बकरी को टीनू जंगल लेकर जाता है. So Teenu is taking the goat to the forest. Question number 5. मीनू की बकरी कैसी थी? How was the मीनू goat? That मीनू goat, how it looks? How she was? मीनू की बकरी रेशमी काले बालों वाली थी. मीनू की बकरी रेशमी काले बालों वाली थी. मीनू goat was black silky hair. मीनू goat is having a black and silky hair. Question number 6. टीनू बकरी को क्या खिलाता था? What food टीनू is giving to that goat? टीनू बकरी को हरी मुलायम घास खिलाता था. ओके, टीनू बकरी को हरी मुलायम घास खिलाता था. टीनू is giving a green grass to that goat. Okay, green and soft grass he is giving na. So hari mulayam, hari means green, mulayam means soft. So soft and green grass he is giving to goat. Question number 7. बकरी जंगल में क्या करती थी? That goat in forest, what she is doing? What she is doing? Answer will be बकरी जंगल में खुली हवा में सैर करती थी. In open air that goat will take a round. She will jump here, there. She will enjoy in a fresh air and she will eat some grass also and she will be happy. So children, this was your question answer. Okay. So we have read today a small and good poem, lesson 9, मीनू की बकरी. I have translated for you Hindi to English. Then we have read word meaning and question answer. Other small exercises we will read in June class. Thank you. Watch the video. Then write your assignment neat and clean. Thank you. Have a good day.